Hi photographers, do you feel like you need something more with your photography? Maybe it's telling your story. You just can't envision the story when you push that shutter button. Or maybe it's post-processing. You just don't know what to do next once you put those files in your computer. Or it could be starting a new business. If so, it's time for you to check out my webinar replay on the photography roadmap. I'm Janice Sullivan from Sullivan J Photography, and you may know me from the Macro Photography Chat Live show. I mentor landscape and macro photographers. So this roadmap is something that I use to focus my photography career. It's a perfect time for you to start diving in with your goals starting 2019. So click down below and hurry because it's only going to be up until January 26th. Hope to see you there. Cheers!